Hello, my name is Jayla Peterson, and I will be showing you how to use Google Calendar. So, in order to use Google Calendar, you have to have a Gmail account, a Google account. So, I have one already. So, after you set up the Google account, you will go to this box square right here and then go to Calendar. So, let's start with setting up an event. So let's say that we have a surprise birthday party that we want to set up for one of our friends. So we'll be like Jalen's surprise birthday. So for Jalen's surprise birthday, it will be on October 4th. It does not repeat since that's the only day. The location, you could put any location you want to. So I would say the Civic Center in California. So you can add the description. You could put anything that you would like right there, as far as maybe the decorations that you need or anything else. Just notes in general, a description on it. Also, you can change the colors of it. I would change it to orange because that is her favorite color. I would change it to orange, just the person I am. So also, in the settings and sharing, you can share this event to the people that you may want to invite. So I would put sharing with specific people. I would add the people, add the name, the Gmail, or the email. So I would put I'm going to just use my school email right here. Add an email or a name. You just keep adding. Whatever, you could put the event notifications. So just to remind you or anybody else, you would put, let's say, 30 hours, because I would. You could put 30 minutes. You could add a notification, all day notifications also. So, say for this surprise birthday party, we have somebody that maybe want to be there but cannot be there. So, what you would do, you would edit this and you would do a hangout. So for hangouts, it's basically a video chat. You do a video chat, a phone chat, any of that matters. So you would have your laptop in hand, I would, and you could set it up like that. And you could put the certain time, the time that you put that you would do the hangout, so the person to be there, to chat. Also, on top of that, you can import and export out of this calendar also. So say you have an assignment due on Moodle, you have assignment anywhere, anything else you want to do, you would go to import and export, and you would select the file from your computer, from your Outlook. And since we changed to Outlooks, this will be perfect. You can import events from Outlook, and you can also export events also. I can download anything, birthdays, important things that you need to do. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my tutorial for using Google Calendar.